How to forget password in Cebu Pacific. First, click mo yung forgot password sa ilalim ng password box. Then next, i-enter natin dito yung email ad na ginagamit natin na nakalink sa Cebu Pacific. When done, click send link to my email.
Ngayon, buksan mo na ang iyong email at i-check ang Cebu Pacific email. So, pag nakita mo na yung email from Cebu Pacific, buksan mo ito and then i-click mo yung reset password. So, ang next na gagawin mo ay mag-create ng strong password with 12 to 16 characters and at least one uppercase and lowercase letter, numbers, and special characters. When done, click Reset Password. So, password reset completed. Next, try to log in using your new password. When done, click Login. Just click Continue because you can secure your account later. I'm already logged in. We're done. Thanks for watching.